engaging content with Claude Artifacts' top 5 prompts. Imagine having a powerful tool that can create stunning visual content, interactive games, and complex applications with ease. Claude Artifacts, the latest innovation in AI technology, can bring up that to reality. The Claude Artifacts are a new feature in the Claude 3.5 Sonnet AI model that offers the users an interactive and dynamic way of generating content using simple prompts. This technology has the potential to transform various industries, including gaming, education, and graphic design. More interestingly, users can create engaging content without requiring extensive coding knowledge or technical expertise. Here are 5 exciting prompts to get you started with Claude Artifacts. Interactive mood board. Design an interactive mood board generator using React. Experiment with colors, shapes, and textures to create stunning visual representations of your ideas and emotions. Tower defense game. Build a tower defense game using React and SVG graphics. Challenge your friends, test your strategic skills, and have fun while learning. Virtual bookshelf. Create a virtual bookshelf using React and Tailwind CSS. Showcase your favorite books, add interactive features, and share your love for reading with the world. Family tree builder. Construct a family tree builder with predefined relationships. Explore your ancestry, connect with relatives, and preserve your family's history. Pixel Art Creator. Make a Pixel Art Creator component with customizable canvas sizes and colors. You can use your creativity, design unique artwork, and share your masterpieces with the world.